Welcome back. ECAP 2013, the biggest exhibition of computers, will be held from 20th to 22nd September in Taleigao. This will be a display of latest technical equipments. E-waste will also be collected at this event.
The dealers to display what has happened in 1 year or what is going to happen in the near future. So to display the technology. At the same time, it is an effort to educate the general public.
This year in the ECAP, we are also to create a social awareness on e-waste. We will be collecting e-waste, that is all the scrap computers, scrap batteries, scrap electronic equipments, and we will be sending it to Atero, which is having a factory in North India, for recycling.
Dempo Sports Club may be in the transition period, but coach Arthur Papas reckons his boys have the potential to win the I-League title. The five-time champions have been trying out a lot of players with focus on developing the youngsters in the Airtel Goa Pro League. Coach Papas feels the team has improved as the professional league has gone on, but the fast-approaching I-League will provide the real test for the Australian coach.
Dempo Sports Club faced a tough opponent in tough Lakshmi Prasad on Wednesday evening at the buzzing Duler ground in Mapsa. While the names suggested a lopsided contest, with Dempo being the most successful Indian football club with 5 I-League titles under their belt, Mapsa outfit Lakshmi Prasad gave Dempo a real scare. Dempo won the hard-fought encounter by a 2-0 margin, but Papas noted down a few pointers for improvement before the beginning of the I-League.
Coach Arthur Papas has made a lot of notes, and this match probably gave him a lot of scope to make these pointers. And as you are approaching the big test with the I-League, what are the points that you have taken into account and started, and you will work on them from this game now?
Yeah, from this game you can always take positives. I have a lot of headaches with what's the best team to play, because the last 2 games some of my younger players really show a lot of quality. And now, you know, the 11 for the I-League, there's no rule on how many foreigners, you know, you can play 4 foreigners now, you don't have an under 20 rule, so it's a different thing now that we have to have our best 11 for the I-League ready. We still have maybe 1 or 2 injury concerns for Sunday's match.
To go into the I-League, having been now placed 3rd in the Goa Pro League, what can we read from this?
That we have improved as the Goa League has gone on. That's the biggest thing, you know, and you can see that the team, no matter who's playing, becomes more and more natural with the way we're playing. So if we make 4 or 5 changes, it doesn't look like a big difference in the team. That's the thing, the style looks very similar. So that's important. And I just keep saying that we still got a lot of work to do. The boys have got to keep working hard, but I'm pleased with them because they're giving everything. They're trying as much to adapt to, you know, the little changes that we're making, because obviously they have a very successful decade before with Armando, and full respect to him, and now we don't want to change everything, but we need to just slowly progress to another level now.
Right. How big a squad do you have for the I-League?
Not too big a squad. We work off 27 players for Goa League and I-League together, you know, and that's why it's important that we keep everyone fit. It's part of what we're trying to do as well. We're introducing more and more young players. So you saw against Salgonka, we played with 7 players all up under the age of 22, and young players need an opportunity as well, but at the same time we're about results in the I-League, and we're going to be putting out our strongest team.
What would you consider as the strong points of the Dempo squad for this season?
The unity. Everything comes down to unity. As long as the team wants to work together and is going to fight for each other, we can achieve anything. We can win the league this year without a doubt, as long as we're fighting together and we're working for the same cause.
Dempo's arsenal boasts of big names with mighty experience of Indian football. The up-and-coming players have also now got quality match time due to Papas's experiments. With an interesting mixture brewing at Dempo, the Panji-based club will certainly be one of the teams to watch, if not the favourites, in the I-League this season. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with reporter Shyam Sundar Phadte from Mapsa.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.